Welcome back to my channel, and today what we are going to do is we will look at a graph theory question based on the handshaking lemma. Okay, so let us start with the question. So consider a graph vertices consider a graph, the vertices are represented as n bit signals. Okay, vertices will be connected if their bit position. Okay, when will there be an edge between two nodes? Bit position differs by exactly one bit. So we have to find how many edges are there in the graph and edges in the graph's complement graph. Okay, so let us make first pause the video and try this question out yourself. Okay, so we will how does one of the nodes look like, right? There are n bits, these are n bits. Now I know the handshaking lemma is we have to find the edges of this graph. Now edges and degree, how they are related. We know the handshaking lemma, sum of all the degrees is equal to twice the number of edges in the graph. We know this, we will use this in to solve this question. Okay, see, we have to find first the degree of each of the nodes. Okay, what is the degree? How many edges are connected to this node? Now we know one edge will be there when two nodes they differ by this last bit. So one edge will be with due to this bit position difference. Another edge of with the node will be due to this bit position difference. Another will be because of this. So on, how many bits are there? N bits. So we will have degree of each of the vertices equal to n, right? And we know how many such nodes are there total. So total the nodes will be as there are n bits. So how many distinct values these n bits can take? Every bit can be either a 0 or a 1. So every bit has two choices. The total, how many distinct numbers can you make? That will be 2 power n. And for each of the nodes have degree n, so we have to add n to the power of n times, that is the sum of all the degrees. This is equal to twice the number of edges in the graph. So number of edges would become n into 2 की power n minus 1. This is equal to the edges of graph G. Okay. Now I will tell you a little bit about graph's complement. What is a graph's complement? So suppose let us take an example of a graph with three nodes. Okay. So total the complete graph, the edges that are not present in the original graph is known as the graph complement. Okay. Suppose in the original graph only this edge is there. This is the graph G. Then the graph G complement, its complement G bar will be whatever edges are present in the complete graph minus the edges which are present in this graph, or the edges which are not present in this graph. So that would become this and this. This is the graph and this is its complement. If you take union of these two, you will get the complete graph on three vertices K3, which is equal to a triangle. Okay. These are all possible edges. Okay. So let us see now in the graph's complement. How do we find the complement of the graph given in the question G? So how many, first we will write all possible edges. How many edges are possible? All possible edges. So how many nodes we have? 2 power n, and between any two node, if we choose any two node, there will be an edge. So 2 की power n, choose 2. These many possible edges are there in total in the complete graph. So that will be 2 power n into 2 power n minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now, the edges in G complement will be equal to 2 power n into 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus how many edges we are having in this graph? N into 2 की power n minus 1. So, these are the number of edges in the complement graph. So always remember, in a graph theory question, if you have to find the edges, okay, you should think always the handshaking lemma. Handshaking lemma relates or combines the information about sum of degrees. Degrees means how many edges are there per node. Every node, how many edges are there. When you sum total all the degree information, that is equal to the twice the number of edges. So whenever in a graph theoretic question, uh, you have to find the number of edges, always think in terms of the degrees, sum of the degrees. Okay. And that's it. And the concept of graphs complement, whatever edges are not there in the original graph, that create those edges in another graph on the same set of vertices, that becomes your graph's complement. Okay. So these were the two important concepts used to solve this problem. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy learning. Keep observing the real world around you and keep applying graph theory concepts in the real world. Bye bye and take care.